there are 3 steps to take when preparing for an exam. The first one is gathering enough information. The second is studying, and the fourth is revising. For Post UTME students, they've most likely undergone through the gathering of information and the studying part, especially because of the long gap between the UTME and their Post UTME, especially for people preparing for UI Post UTME, OE Post UTME. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can revise for the exam, such that most important information that you've studied, that you've gained while studying, you won't forget them. The technique that you should use when revising for an exam is scoping. What is scoping? Scoping requires you write down all the topics for each subject, write it down on a sheet of paper, write down subtopics that you are required to know under each of those topics. Now, it's not all subtopics that are under a particular topic that you will be asked in your exam, for UTME example now, because the subtopic under physics, let's say under nuclear physics in UTME is quite different, that you are required to know is quite different from the one that you are required to know when you are preparing for A-level exam. So write down the subtopics that you are required to know in that exam. Now, after writing it down, then you tick the ones that are still giving you difficulties. Let's say you have issues with motion now, so you tick that one out. So you probably tick it with a red pen. After ticking it down, now you'll be left with those that you are quite confident in and those that you are not quite confident in. Now, for those that you are confident in, I would advise that you solve questions on those topics and those subtopics to actually know whether you actually understand that particular topic or subtopic or not. It's not really important that you know the entire aspect of that topic. When they give you questions, you're able to interpret the question and then provide answers to the question, the correct answers to the question. So after identifying those that after you've solved questions and you are quite confident, okay, yes, I can actually attempt these questions on this topic or this subtopic thoroughly, then the first thing you should do is you take out your jotter and you revise. You go through your jotter to revisit the topics that are giving you difficulties. Now, if, for example, you don't jot anything down, then that means you have to pick up your textbook or ask someone else that jots down. There are a lot of materials online that you can actually compress most of these notes down, so you can just pick some of them up and then read them. But then if you are still not quite confident in your ability to attempt questions on that particular topic after revising the jottings, then that means you have to pick up your textbook and go through that particular topic over again. And the moment you are done with actually going over the topic, you revise it. So if you do this for all the topics that are giving you issue, then you can now go to the topics that you are quite confident and just read more in depth on them, so that will be, because you don't know, when you're for Post UTME, you don't know which area the questions will be coming from. So the keynote from this video is to revise for your exam. You scope the subject that you'll be taking, and the way you scope it is by writing out the topics, the subtopic. Now, after writing out the topic and the subtopic, then you identify the ones that are giving you difficulties. You identify the ones that you are quite confident in. Then, to confirm whether you are quite confident in that, in a subtopic or a topic, you have to attempt questions on it, and then once you're able to answer majority of the questions, or like almost all the questions, then you are quite certain that if you are given such questions in your exam, or you will be able to actually provide answers to it. And then after doing that, then you start revising the topics that are giving you difficulties. Now, the main reason why you are actually revising topics that are giving you difficulties first, because should in case you're unable to finish your revision before your exam date, you will have been able to tackle the ones that will most likely give you high blood pressure. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing. See you guys in my next video.